GoodNotes has long been celebrated for its seamless note-taking experience on iPad as well as Macintosh, offering features that closely mimic the feel of pen and paper. With its advanced handwriting recognition, customizable template, and user-friendly interface, it is no wonder why GoodNote is a go-to for Apple users. Recently, GoodNote also expanded to Windows, aiming to bring same powerful note-taking experience to PC users. And in this video, I'm going to check whether this is true or not. For that, let me take you to my computer screen, and there we go. And if you are new to GoodNote and you would like to install it, for that, you can actually visit our Windows store. Now you can simply search for GoodNotes. And there we go. This is GoodNotes. So let's click on it. And here you simply need to click on Get, and that's how you will install it. Now after installing, just click on Menu and search for GoodNotes. And there we have it. So here you're going to see a familiar GoodNote interface, but how familiar it is, we're going to find out. Okay, so on the right hand side, we can see documentation and then option to either create a notebook or a folder where we can arrange our notebook, which is quite nice. And then on the right hand side, we can also see Marketplace, from where user can download more templates. And one thing I would like to tell you, GoodNotes is not free, and so these templates. So most of the templates here you can see and their listed price. Now I'm gonna go back here to documents, and now let me click here on new and notebook. And from here you can choose which particular page you would like to go for. So let's say I would like to go for dotted paper. Now I'm gonna click on create notebook. Now the beauty of GoodNote is that you can even define different template for different pages, which I would say is really a plus point when compared to its archival notability. So let's see if that feature here also exists. So in order to add new page, we're simply going to click here on the top, and then we have added new page. Now if I go here on the top and look for the option that can help me out in changing the page type, which I am afraid I do not see it, because here we can see go to page option, which kind of give you option to quickly jump into a certain page. Then we have got this option of defining the scroll direction, which is also okay, but I don't see a whole list of features. And seems like the feature that I was touting about GoodNotes also do not exist here. And let me now try to write something here. Okay, and I'm gonna use this fountain pen, and let's also keep the pressure sensitivity 50% and tip sharpness as, let's say, 75. Let me also zoom it a bit. And to write on it, I'm gonna use this XP Pen Deco 03 pen tab, which I also use with my Macintosh. So I'm gonna use the same hardware, and let's see how the experience is. Now let's write here, hello there, welcome to GoodNotes. Okay, so seems like even in terms of handwritten note-taking experience, the experience is nowhere comparable to what I have in Macintosh. Even let's say if I do apple to apple comparison, because I am using same hardware, same pen tablet in Macintosh, and the experience there is far more superior than here. And even I would say the number of options and features available here, I would say nor the features in terms of numbers matches the Macintosh, nor these features are perfectly baked. Even the basic handwriting experience is not so good. Forget AI features, which I didn't saw it yet. So in my personal opinion, if I am only using Windows hardware, I will definitely not recommend this particular software for handwriting notes. Instead, I would recommend Windows General, which is completely free and comes with so many advanced features specific for Windows. So if you want to see and know more about Windows General, which is available for completely free and built for handwritten note-taking experience, then do check out the video that I have added in the description of this one. So in my opinion, we should not spend 1200 rupees per year or something like that to get GoodNotes for Windows. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to to Technoholic to see more such productivity related content. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and ciao.